These are high voltage LED strings. You can check online for further detail about the product. Worry-free warranty. This is the LED light by RC Beam. Let's open it up, get you a nice close-up look. Thank you for choosing us. As we open up the product, you're going to get a spare bulb, and this is what the bulbs look like, and they're made of a plastic. So what happens if you drop it? Nothing. That is great. You could do your best to try to break them. But you know, if you stomp on them, they will break eventually. So they are break resistant. Some information that you can read at your leisure. As we open up the product, it is wrapped up. And we're going to unwrap it, put it outside, and see what it looks like at nighttime. For now, what we're going to do is go find an outlet, plug it in so you can get an idea what it looks like. They are lit up and they got little holes, and you're going to hang them up on a pole, a string, anywhere imaginable. So let's go hook this bad boy up outside and show you what it looks like. Oh, look, there's a bulb, and this bulb is loose. There you go. You want to replace a bulb, just simply unscrew it, grab another bulb, and screw it on. It is really that simple to change a bulb. Let's go set it up. If you need to add additional lights, they have an extension part. This is IP rated, but this part here will probably need a GFI outlet for added protection. We're in a low-level shot and rather be outside in the pouring rain. We got the lights hooked up, and like I said, if some lights don't work, you're going to go over to the light and you're going to twist the bulb. And there you have stringer. Use your imagination how to hang things. These are very durable plastic. The bulbs won't break. They got a nice housing on it that you could permanently hook this up or temporarily hook it up with, say, tie wraps, hooks, Christmas hooks to get them up there where you want. All year round, these COB light bulbs, they will do a nice job for your needs. Now, let me give you a nice bright shot. And you see that they are hung up and they do light the area pretty nice indeed. They're not super bright and they're not super dull, but they do give a nice golden glow, what they're supposed to do. So if you're outside in a seasonal time, in a low light situation, barbecue, patio, decoration, Christmas time, birthday party, you name it. I hope these lights will be right for you.